Okay, so now let's go through basic stuff of Game Creator. First thing, you got your hierarchy. You got a Game Creator tab here, and then you got all these menus, right? All these drop downs. So go into Game Creator, camera, you create a camera shot. It automatically finds the main camera and it adds it. It also adds the shot. Things to go through main camera. Time mode. You can have multiple cameras. Some cameras might move in game time or on scale time. This main update and fix update, you're mostly gonna run a main update. Then you have the camera shot. This is the current camera shot. This is gonna be changed. It can be changed at runtime by instructions. You are gonna always need a camera shot to be here, so it works. The camera shots we're gonna go through is just manages your current camera behavior. You got your smooth time position and your smooth time rotation. This is how it kind of moves. We can play with it later on to showcase, but basically if you have the camera is moving, it'll have a slight delay or a slight delay on the rotation and so on. And then you got clipping. Clipping, either you have no clipping or you got zoom in. Zoom in gives you layers. What is gonna make the camera move and zoom in? What is gonna make it zoom in? This is the radius. So basically it has a collider. The size of the collider is gonna dictate the area between the camera and the object in the layer that's gonna make it move in. Then you got minimum distance. So it can go all the way up to 0, which will be inside the body of the character. Or you can set it to maybe like 3 units before reaching the character. That's its limit, right? 3 units between the camera and the character. And also smooth time, which will give it that smoothness going from doing the zoom in. So that's it for the main camera. Main camera shots, right? So here's main shot, boom, you hit that. This is important because let's do an example and get an action in here. And then you're gonna do a shot change. Then you can change your shot, right? So we're talking about the main camera, which is dictated here, right? Main camera. This is what it's looking for. It's looking for this script. So when you choose the main camera, you can also find a game object and designate the camera if you have more than one. But main camera is more than enough most times. Then you have your shot, right? Again, you got different options. You got your previous shot, you got main shot, the current shot. But right now it's asking you to put a shot in here. You can say, well, now this action is gonna change the previous shot. It's gonna change the previous shot of the main camera, right? It's gonna be changed to the previous shot. But let's do this. Let's do shot and say, I got another camera shot here, and this one is second. And then I'll just go here, boom, and say, so change the shot from the main camera that currently has this one, which is this is the main shot, which is fixed position. Let's change it to a first person. So when I hit this, it's gonna go from that main camera into the first person camera. Here you got your easing. Alright, so you can go and find the easing curves or animation curves types, and you can see them here, right? These are the types of curves that we're talking about, and then you can also go to YouTube and check how they work. So basically this is how the object is going to behave. So that's what easing means. So you can go find which one works better for you, and this is the duration it's gonna take to accomplish that movement. Alright, so we got multiple options, right? We got anchor, which will give you a little description on the bottom, and it's pretty good. It's pretty descriptive, so most of them you're gonna understand them. Next on our tutorial, we're gonna go into characters. Let's create a player, and if you have a plane or something with a mesh, it's as easy as just hitting play. Here we go. We got camera shot, and we can just move around freely. It's that simple. Just drop in the character, put a camera shot, and then you can play around with the character. Super simple, super easy.